Okay, good morning. Hope everyone's doing good. 2023 is over. Hope you all was able to bring in 2024 with friends, family, and loved ones. It's crazy how quick this last year went by. It's like I blinked and it was gone. But that's fun, because 2024, a big year full of opportunities. A lot of opportunities coming this year. I'm going to take advantage of every single one. We're going to be out here working every day, trying to change our lives for the better. But it starts one day at a time. Today is the day. So we have our coffee. We have our crypto and our charts. Our crypto charts. Let's get into it. On the weekly here, I see the money flow coming back up. That's a good sign. The VWAP looks like it wants to curve back to the upside. You see, momentum. Well, not really getting much of a curve yet, but that money flow and VWAP looking good. Looks like we're starting to gap out on the RSIs. I'd like to see them get tight again, turn green, stay above these levels here. Let's go down here to the 7-day. See money flow coming right up. Right up. VWAP could cross right back over. Tighten up on them RSIs. We'll have to wait and see. Let's go down here to the daily. Oh, ding dong. Money flow coming down. We are wanting to pinch a bottom. We could see that depending on price movement today. We could see it start printing today, sometime tomorrow. It could confirm tomorrow. We will see. But if we make higher highs, we need a deeper momentum wave for sure. Okay. VWAP. It looks like it's going to curve back down to the downside though. So we're going to have to keep an eye on that as well. Let's go here to the 12-hour. That money flow. I've been trying to keep an eye on that money flow. I don't know if it's going to cross over. Or maybe just curve up, float on that zero line there. Just float above it and keep to the upside. We'll have to see. I'm guessing if she does cross over deep, she comes deep enough down, we'll see 40Ks, low 41s, and then we can probably see. I wouldn't like it though, because it's not a very deep momentum wave. We could still put in bullish dibs, but you love those super deep, like this one here. Super deep momentum waves to continue with bullish divergence, and you want this one just clipping it. I would have liked it back here, I think, because it's just clip it. So we'll have to wait and see. Like I said, that one's not even over the 80 line, the 60 line I mean. Yeah, so we'll have to wait and see. Wait and see on that 12-hour. She's looking decent, I'd have to say, with that weekly money flow coming up, 7-day coming up, the daily's coming down. What is this? The 10-hour money flow looks like it could be curving back down, but I doubt it comes as low as here. You know, just play around here until it crosses over. Just slowly getting higher until it crosses over. That's what it's looking like. I could be wrong, but as of right now, that is what she's looking like. Same on the 8-hour. Let's go ahead and zoom into the 4-hour. Money flow shooting straight up. We have a green dot, momentum coming up. RSIs turning green, starting to tighten up here, going up. VWAP has crossed over. We'll have to wait and see. The 3-hour. I think money flow is in the green. Yeah. So money flow has crossed into the green. On the 3-hour, RSIs are starting to tighten up and going straight up. Green dot. VWAP coming up. Gotta get past 42.9. Okay. I didn't draw this fib. This is a pretty local fib, I feel like. Yeah, from this high to that low. Maybe a day, few days. Yeah, the last 10 days. Okay. So let's go down to the 4 hour. I believe we was just on that. Yeah. Skip down here to the 2 hour. Bullish continuation. Looks like we could be pinching off here. Money flows crossed over. I feel like we have a bigger move. Every time the money flow crosses over, I like to see deep momentum waves, whether it be to the red, deep momentum wave. So I just don't feel like she's done running off of this money flow crossover, because it always usually gets above the 60 line here, you see. And then here you start putting in bullish divs. They played out as soon as the money flow, you know, constant going down. As soon as the money flow goes into the red. So we haven't put a momentum wave since the money flow went into the green over the 60 line, which means she could have some room to run. She does look like she's curving down, pinching off, but in 2 hours we still have an hour and 12 minutes. She could just keep coming straight up, and if she goes past the 60 line, I'm not in a position right now, but I'd take at least half off. We did take a little scalp yesterday out the 5 minute. We got in at 42.5 because I got stopped out on that long I took from 42.2. Took profit right here. Yeah. No, that's not the. Yeah, 42.2. Took some profit, and then I got stopped out at my entry. Usually after I take profit, I always move my stop loss to entry point. That way it's a winning trade every time. It's been paying off for me since I've done it. But yeah, I took a little scalpage off the 5 minute yesterday with the money flow crossover. Took over $1 back and $1.50. It adds up. It adds up. You make $1.50 every day. It adds up. Okay, I'm done with that. Back to the charts. Yeah, I wonder. Okay, so bullish continuation on the 2 hour. No signs of a top yet. Money flow could just hover above that 0 line. Watch it. Keep an eye out. The 1 hour. Still bullish continuation. The money flow crossed over on a blood diamond. Ooh. That's a mixed signal. Anyway, those blood diamonds, boy, they are. If you want to see price go up and you see a blood diamond, you're probably not going to see price go up. So the 1 hour, we are looking kind of toppish here. No divs though, no bear divs. Playing the price. RSIs are tight. Red could be coming down. We could be printing a red dot here. We have flipped the ribbons, the MA ribbons on Market Cipher A into support. Will they hold? We will see. We will see. Okay, let's go. Let's go a little more local. The 30 minute. Bull divs, bear divs, excuse me. See, putting in higher highs here. Lower low on your momentums. Money flow. Getting ready to cross into the red for a bit. But it has that curve to where it could come back up. Okay. Looks like a cool off is on its way. After the pump through the night. Not even really a pump. It did go up though. Yeah, see, price is just steady getting higher. Momentum's getting lower. We've already crossed into the red money flow on the 20 minute. Yeah, we're about to probably about to see some downside. I'd like to hold these levels here around 42.3. I'd like to hold 42.3, 42.4. As long as we're not making lower lows on these smaller time frames. You have your low. High, higher low, higher high, higher low. Not really a higher high yet. It could be coming. We get past that 0.5 at 42,900. Need to flip that to support. See the 5 minute. Ooh, money flow coming down. Might be able to catch a short off of this money flow crossover. Yeah, so I got in here. This money flow crossover. And she came back where did I get in? Around here. Because I saw the bullish continuation. We was flipping the EMAs to support. What do we got to... Yeah, see with that money flow crossover, I'd be looking for a very deep momentum wave right here. Very deep. Probably, yeah, I could see it coming down to the 80, 85 line. But we'll wait and see. But you can see here as well. If you follow the curve, it's gonna come back up. Gonna come back up. It's like we'll just wait and see. Just wait and see. I'll try to if I can get some entry points, I'll try to put them out. Because really, if I'm shorting the money flow crossover, I like to see the momentum on top, you know, like say we put in a red dot here, money flow is crossing over, boom, I'm taking that. It's the exact opposite when I want to go long. I want the money flow in the red, getting ready to go into the green with momentum waves down here, getting higher. Feel like I'm just rambling now. I don't know. Let's see the 1 minute. Choppy, choppy, choppy. No bullish divs. What did I say? 42.9? Yeah, that's what we gotta get past. As long as we hold 42.3 though, I feel like that'll be a decent little pullback. Alright. So, short to medium term, I'm guessing we still have just a bit more downside. Maybe not even below 42K, but by the time this video is up, the price is probably going to be below 42,665. Yeah, 45 minute, very bearish candle, money flow coming up. So we could see a bit more downside in the coming days. Really just sideways between 40, 43 until these higher, time frames start to play out. That money flow on the weekly, if we can get it. Look, it's just as high as it was for this run up to start, right? That candle there. Just as high as it was there. So if we can get it higher, you can assume price is going to go higher. We'll have to wait and see. And of course, with the ETF approval, my guess is they want lower prices to buy in at. You know, The whales want to buy lower, push the price higher to sell. That's what they do. But that will do it for me. Hope everyone had a amazing New Year's last night. I'm excited for this year, man. I'm excited. Let's get it. No one's stopping us from our goals but ourselves. So, hope everyone has a good day. Hope you all are very blessed. May God bless all of you. That'll do it for me. I'm out.